Okay, in this video, we're going to factor trinomials step by step when our a value, our front number for our highest power is 1. And so, let's begin. Now, we're going to solve these three problems together. So, because this coefficient is a 1, it makes this problem pretty easy. Because there's only one way to get 1, 1 times 1. So, we'll have a parentheses 1x, or just x, parentheses, parentheses, x, parentheses. Now we're thinking to ourselves, what two numbers multiply to give us a positive 6, but add to give us a positive 5? Well, we know it's going to be a positive 3 and a positive 2. And this right here is our final answer. Now, for this first one, let's prove it to ourselves that this, in fact, is this. Well, x times x is x squared. X times 3 is positive 3x. 2 times x is 2x. And 2 times 3 is 6. So x squared matches, 6 matches, and 3x plus 2x is 5x. And so it's correct. At this point, if you want to pause the video here and attempt this problem, that's a good idea. And so let's begin. So again, we have a 1 in the front. That makes this problem easy. You can only get it by x and x. And now we think, what two numbers multiply to give us a negative 9? But add to give us a positive 8? Well, we could do a positive 9 and a negative 1. Why? Because negative 1 times 9 is negative 9. Negative 1 plus 9 is positive 8. So it works. And so we can put a little check mark. And now for our last problem, again, pause the video, try it out. So same idea, we can do x, parentheses, x. We think to ourselves, what two numbers multiply to give us a negative 10, but add to give us a negative 3. And with practice, you pick this up much faster, but it's going to be a negative 5 and a positive 2. Because 2 minus 5 is negative 3, 2 times negative 5 is negative 10, and why not? Let's fully check. X times x is x squared, x times negative 5 is negative 5x, 2 times x is positive 2x, and 2 times negative 5 is negative 10. So again, x squared matches, negative 10 matches, and negative 5x plus 2x is negative 3x, and so we know no mistakes. And that's pretty much it for this video.